In the comment section under the video about embed video restricted on band.net, I was asked about how to generate Sha256 using Git Bash or Cygwin. So here you are, I am recording the video tutorial for you right now, how to make it. First step is to download Git Bash, search in Google Git Bash, and here you have a website that you can download the Git Bash. You choose the right version for your operating system. In this case, it's a Windows. Choose the right version, can be 32 bits or 64 bits. Save the installation file, and once the download is completed, open up the installer. Click on yes and follow the steps. Here it's useful to keep it checked that you have a context menu. So in each of the folder in your computer, you can right click and open up the Git Bash. Click on next all the time and accept the default values. Then installation will be started. So here you are waiting a few moments to make it finished. Once done, click on Finish. Now you can go to any catalog and right-click and choose Git Bash here. It will open up the console. To generate the Sha256 from your text, you can type echo -n, your text, pipe, and the command Sha256 sum. It will give you your hash result. To install Cygwin on your computer, type Cygwin in Google, go to the web page, and download the installer. Once the installer is downloaded, you open it up, and you're starting installation process. Accept default settings by clicking Next, Next, and the Next. Choose one of the repository that hosting this files and click on Next. Now download process is started. Once it's done, Next. It will take some time to install Cygwin. Once the process is done, click on Finish. And now type Cygwin in the Start menu. You have a Cygwin 64 terminal, and this is your terminal to use if you want to generate the Sha-sum. You type echo -n, then your text that you want to convert to the hash, pipe, and Sha256 sum. And here, as a result, you got an hash. As usual, remember to visit my blog when you can find the latest articles about different technologies. You can find the article version of the video tutorials that will have ready-to-use code snippets, so you can just copy and paste it in your environment. Thank you for watching this video. I'm sure right now you can use all those tips and tricks in your projects and have fun. Have a nice coding. Bye.